Since you spend so much time in the kitchen, when you eat out, what is your favorite dish?
Oh, that's a great question. Here in New York, it depends on the category. For Italian food, if I'm in Brooklyn, I love Missy Robbins. Has two places in Brooklyn, but here in the city, Via Carota is my favorite. Like carrot with an A on the end. C-A-R-O-T-A. Via Carota is my favorite for Italian food, and I'll eat anything they make. If it's steak, I love Bowery Meat Company. My friend, Josh Capon, great chef. That's his steakhouse. It depends on the food, but I'm very specific, and I'm super easy to feed if I'm in your house. I'll literally eat anything. Going out, I'm kind of a creature of habit. I go out so rarely. I would always prefer to go home and cook. That when I go out, for each category, I have like one favorite thing. But if you make me a list of where all the different types of food you like, I will tell you where to go for them. Thank you, Hal.